Hello students, hope you all are fine and safe. You are doing your studies very well. Now in our last class we have discussed about the place value. Place value means in which place it is. So what is the value of that particular digit? So we have discussed about there are 9 digits 0 to 9. So what is the value of that particular digit? So in earlier classes you have studied up to hundreds. Now we will study up to 1000. So 1000 place value. Now we know that the largest 3 digit number is 999. If we see in the sequence, the largest single digit number is 9. The largest 2 digit number is 99. The largest 3 digit number is 999. Same way, when we add 1, it will become 1000. So this is 1 added to, or we can say the successor of 999. 3 nines means 999 plus 1 will give us 1000. So you can see here the 1000, this is 1000 that is separated with an comma. So whenever we are dealing with thousands, we will put comma after 3 digits. So we know that 10 is the smallest 2 digit number, then 100 is the smallest 3 digit number, and same way 1000 is the smallest 4 digit number, because whatever the numbers will come out of all those numbers, the 1000 is the smallest 4 digit number. Now if we say 1000 in the place value chart, so this is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds, and this is 1000, right? So we will start with ones. So how can we place this 1000 in the place value chart? We can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 4th digit is 1. So we will put in the thousands place 1. Then we have 0, 0, 0. So this is the place value chart for 1000, right? Now let us see. You can see some of the colored blocks here. What do you think these are? These are some numbers. Let us say that the yellow one represents, it is a block that is representing 1000. Then the pink one, the pink block, it is 100, and the white block, it is tens, right? Now we have to find out this number. Now you can see here 1, 2, 3. There are 3 yellow boxes and each yellow box is 1000. So how can we write this? We can write this. Let us make the place value chart here. So this is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds, and this is 1000. Now how can we place this number here? 1, 2, 3. 3 yellow. Yellow means 1000. 3. Right? Then 1, 2. So pink means hundreds. So in hundreds place we have 2. 1. That is in tens place. So we will put a 1. Right? Now you can see here nothing is there. So we can put in ones place 0. Right? After the tens place nothing is there. Nothing means 0. So we can put in ones place 0. Right? Now this is Now how can we write this in the expanded form? Three is in thousands place. This is 1000. 2 is in hundreds place. So this is 100. 1 is in tens place 1 and this is 1. Right? Now how can we express this in the expanded form? Now 3 into 1000, that is equal to 3000. 2 into 100, that is equal to 200. 1 into 10, that is equal to 10, and 0 into 1, that is equal to 0. Okay, now how can we write this? We can write this as 3000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 0. Right? So this is equal to 3200, 10 plus 0, that is equal to 10. So 3210. Right? Now how can we express this in words? This is called the standard form or numeral. Now how can we express this in words? 3000. Now we will put a comma. 200. 10. Right? So we will write 3210. So this is called in words. This is in expanded form and this is the numeral form of this block, the first one. Now let us see the second one. So let us take some number in ones place. So let us put one blue box in ones place that will be representing a 1. Right? Now let us see the place value for this number. Now let us make the place value chart. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, and the fourth digit is thousands place. Right? Now 1, 2. 2000. 2, 1, 2, 3. So in hundreds place we have 3 blocks. So 3. Tens place 1, 2. 2. 2. In ones place we have only 1 block. Right? So 2, 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 2, 1. Right? Now we will express this in expanded form. 2 into 1000 plus 3 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 1 into 1. Right? 2 into 1000, this is in the thousands place, 2 is in the thousands place, 3 is in the hundreds place. So the place value of this number will be 3 into 100, 2 into 10 and 1 into 1. So 2 into 1000, 3 into 100, 2 into 10 plus 1 into 1. So that will give us 2000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 1. Right? So 2320 plus 1. So we will get this as 2321. 20 plus 1, 21. Now 300 plus 21, 321. 2000 plus 300 plus 21 is 2321. So this is the expanded, this is the numeral form, this is the expanded form. Now let us see how to write in words. 2000, comma 321. So this number is 2321. 2000, comma 321. Right? Now let us see if we have given the words. So how can we express that in numerals? So in questions we may get the numbers in words and we have to write them as numerals. Suppose it is given
7,632. 7,632. Now let us see through the place value first. This is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds, and this is thousands. So how many thousands? 7,000. 7. How many hundreds? 600. 6. 32. So in the tens place we have 30. 30 means we will write 3 because it is already tens place and 2 in ones place. So the number is 7632. Right? Now let us take one more example. Five thousand 325. You can take any number. 5,325. Now let us see the place value. How many thousands? 5,000. 5. 300. 3. 20. So 20 is in tens place. So we can write 2. Because 2 into 10 is 20. Then 5. So the number is 5,325. If you want to express this in expanded form, you can write as 5 into 1000 plus 3 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 5 into 1. That is equal to 5,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 1. So this is in the expanded form, this is in the numeral form, and this is in words, right? Now how can we represent the numbers in thousand in abacus? Now let us see how can we do this through abacus. So let us see how can we do these numbers on abacus. Yes, so we can see here this is one of the abacus with some numbers. Now these circles, they are representing certain numbers or the places of that numbers, particular numbers.
Now we can see here, how can we write this? This is thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 circles. So in thousands place, we will write 5. 1, 2, 3. 3, 1, 2. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Right? Now how can we put this number? 5,320 plus 4, 24. How can we write in words? 5,300 24. 5,320 plus 4. So we will always read this as one number, right? So we will join the tens place and one place, and then we will read that number. So we will not read this 5,300, 2 tens, 4 ones. No, that is not the proper way to read. Here we can read as 5,300. Now these two numbers, the tens place and ones place, we will combine both and we will read that as one number. So you know all the numbers. So this is mostly all the 2-digit numbers till 99. You know the numbers, right? So 24. 20 plus 4, 24. 5,324. So जो लास्ट के 2 डिजिट्स हैं बेटा, उन्हें हम ज्वाइन करके रीड करेंगे, राइट? सो वी विल ज्वाइन द नंबर्स एंड वी विल रीड फॉर लास्ट 2 डिजिट नंबर. नाउ सपोज देयर इज नो नंबर इन अ पर्टिकुलर प्लेस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम क्या करते हैं, हंड्रेड्स प्लेस 0 कर देते हैं, राइट? सो वी विल मेक हियर देयर इज नथिंग. Now how can we do this? How to read that? So here in hundreds place there is nothing, 0. Now how we will read? As there is nothing in hundreds place, we will read only 5,024, right? We will read 5,000. So there is no hundreds. So directly we will go to 24 because there is nothing in hundreds place, right? So we will read. अगर आप बोलोगे मैम what if nothing will be in 1000 place? 1000 place में कुछ नहीं है. So we will straight away we will read only up to 100 only, right? Till 999 we will be reading up to 100. 3 digits we will take only 3 digits. So the question is, if in between or here we don't have anything, here all we are having, we should have something number here when we are dealing with 1000. If we are not having anything here, so how to do it? So 5,000, nothing in hundreds place. So 5,000 and straight away we will mix these numbers, 24, right? Now suppose I don't have anything in my tens place also, nothing is there, right? So this will become a 0. Now how we will read this? 5,004. 5,004. So there is no 20 also. So this will become 5,004. And how we will write this? 5,004, right? So that means, and suppose if there is nothing here also, chalo, nothing is there. So this will also become in ones place, hundreds place 0, tens place 0, ones place 0. So it is the same number that we discussed in the starting. That is, it will become only 5,000. Nothing will be there, right? So this is a 5,000. Clear? So this is how through abacus also we can learn the different numbers. We can change the numbers into number names or words. We can change the words into numerals. Suppose we have to sequence one number, right? Suppose I am having 2, 1, 1, 2.
blank, 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 blank. 3, 4, 5. Here I am writing 2, 1, 1, 7. Now, I asked you to fill the blanks. I hope you can do it very easy, isn't it? 2, 1, 1, 2. So, what will be the next number? 2, 1, 1, 3. 2, 1, 1, 4. Never forget to put this comma after 1000. 2, 1, 1, 5 on 2, 1, 1, 6. Let us write it properly. 2, 1, 1, 2. 2, 1, 1, 3. 2, 1, 1, 4. 2, 1, 1, 5. 2, 1, 1, 6. That means 2112, 2113, 2114, 2115, 2116, and then we have 2117. It's very easy, right? Suppose here we are having only one number difference. Okay, now suppose here you have to fill only 2 blanks, right? Now you can see here 2, there 8. Okay, so the numbers will be 2000. The difference of the last 2 digits will be of 2. So you can write as 2212. After that 2214, and after that 116, and then 2108. So this is called sequencing the digits. So arranging the digits in a order, right? Now even our next class we will go with the comparing the 2 different numbers, which number is greater, which number is smaller. So this all we will discuss in our next class. Do some work, take some more examples and try to solve, write them in words, write them in numbers, and read the different numbers wherever you can find them in thousands. So generally like some height of the mountain, height of the tree. So you can find many things like that where it is represented in thousands. So go through these numbers, write them in words and practice. Till then, have a nice day. Bye.